we just broke our thread. We don't need no problem. Whoa,
what are you doing, Princess?
Sewing.
You're pretty good at it.
Say, see? Show Dad. Oh, well, that's not quite right, but I'll show you how to do it. Every sewing machine's a little different. Show Dad your stitching. See, Dad?
See, Dad?
Let me see it. Nice. You're very talented, Aaron.
So you betcha.
So what's Mama doing?
What am I doing? Putting the thing in. You gotta have, what's this? What is this called? The bobbin.
Poppy.
Have to put it back in here. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
I guess I don't. I'm going to put the foot down here. Here, no, put this down. Here, put this foot down. Reach around here. Remember? Okay. Put your hand right here to guide the material. Ready? Slow down. See if you can slow down. There you go. Oh, won't Miss Carol be proud? Put your hand right here. Guide the material. Oh, boy.